Here's how I recently funded my Light Finance account. The minimum deposit is $50. From my account dashboard, I went to Finance on the left menu. I selected Bank Transfer, then entered the amount. It auto-converted to $50. After that, I ticked the necessary boxes to proceed and chose Union Bank as my payment option. It redirected me to Union Bank's website, where I logged in using my username and password. Then I entered the OTP sent to my phone, selected my bank account, and confirmed the transaction. Once completed, the screen showed processed or successful, and I saw my total balance updated on Light Finance. It's that simple.